Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got two boxes. One looks a little scary. This is how they arrived on my doorstep. So I'm hoping that everything is still intact in this box. Hoping. But these are boxes that we ordered from one of our wholesale companies, and if you haven't been tuned into the channel recently, we actually are starting a little bit of a new adventure. We're going to basically get a whole little shelving section in a local store. So some of the items in here are specifically purchased for that store, but then the rest of them will be available on hookedonpickin.com. So stay tuned to the end of the video. We'll let you know what's available on hookedonpickin.com and all the prices for everything. And we'll talk about what we're going to send down to that local store.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
Okay, so we're going to open these boxes and I'll show you everything inside. But I wanted to kind of talk to you about the pile we have here. This is a pile of items that we got from a wholesaler, and we're going to put some of these items, all of them are available on hookedonpickin.com. So we've got some things like our travel tote, and we've got some of the easy pocket pans and things like that in here. Glass platter with cheese knives, the Dinosaur dig site stuff. Anyway, so we have, like, some of these, we have like 90 of them. And so our plan is to put maybe 40 down at the local store and sell the rest of the 50 on Hooked on Pickin. So opening up different avenues to sell some of these items is definitely an option for us. And so I wanted to kind of show you that this is kind of what we've got set aside thus far to go down to that retail space and to fill up those shelves. We will be putting out videos of our initial setup and how much we intend, how much we have everything priced for. And we'll give you a little bit of a smidge of a tour of their space, which would be kind of fun as well, so you can see what they have for sale. If you're anywhere near New Baden, Illinois, which is just east of St. Louis, then let us know. You can stop in. All right, so far I am pleased because look, damaged box, but it's just there was nothing here. So we'll have to investigate everything in these boxes, but I don't see any damage on these initial boxes. So, all right, these are mostly items that we still already have on Hooked on Pickin. So we're just going to replenish some and put some at the store. And so we will make sure that we give you, if you've never been to hookedonpickin.com, at the end of this video, we'll give you prices for everything so that you'll know while you're watching this. All right, these are a hot commodity. We sell so many of these. These are hamburger patty presses to make the perfect size hamburger, and it's coming up to grilling season, so these are perfect to have. That way you can season it the way you want, you can put cheese in the middle of it, whatever you want to do before you cook it. So hamburger patty presses, and the cool thing about this particular wholesaler is it comes with a display. So we can just put them right down there just like that. We'll price each and every one of them. We do have some labels we're going to put on there to also drive customers to hookedonpickin.com as well. All right, this box looks a little beat up. Wait. Okay, this box was just filler for padding.
Well, that's actually good.
Yeah. All right, this one, I think this one you got because of the time of the year it is. Yes. We were excited about getting these. So this also comes with its own display. Look at that. Those are really nifty USA hats.
Yeah, similar to
Hey, look. Da, 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 da. It's very similar. Yeah, these are from different companies, but very close. This has a little bit of a blue sheen camouflage on it. You can see that, and it is adjustable.
Trucker hat style.
Kind of a trucker hat, and then it looks like we got some different colors. So down here we got a burgundy. So almost a purpley.
Colors they come in.
Oh, this one is green. So we got green, we got blue, and we got black.
I like the black.
I do too. And they all have a little bit of a camo look to them. But that's pretty cool.
Yes.
So, fun. So, perfect time of the year. You're going to want to buy a hat for 4th of July. And you can get any color you want. Not everybody likes the color red, you know. All right, then we have, make sure you stay tuned. We'll be pricing these at the end. What is in this box? Micro fun flyers. Now this is a new one that we bought.
Same thing with the hats.
Yes, the hats are brand new as well. Come on, you can do it. I believe in you. All right.
These you see normally on the impulse aisle.
So they're little over 30 colors and styles may vary. Easy to assemble. So they're basically just little kind of foam flyers.
Kind of cool.
Yeah, little airplanes that you can build and fly.
It's kind of a World War II thing.
Yeah, it is cool. Jet, over 30 feet. It'll fly over 30 feet.
Yeah.
So those are cool.
We're going to have some toys down there.
Yeah, we're going to have some toys. So here's some more fun flyers. Then we've got some noise putty. Oh, this is like, have you ever bought Flarp? Where you stick your finger in it and it makes basically bodily function noises. So you stick your finger in there and it makes like farting noises basically.
Pretty much.
Yep. What kid doesn't want to make farting noises? Right. Hey, listen, some adults like to make farting noises. It is. It is a pig noise putty. Yep. All right, then we've got some Dino Egg. These are cool because you stick them in water. We actually gave a couple of these to our nieces. They're huge into dinosaurs right now. But they come with this little egg, and you put it in water, and it grows. So, and it's a mystery. Each egg has different dinosaurs in them.
I think they'll go pretty well down the shelf.
I think they will too. All right, then we've got 2 more boxes of the Dino growing egg, magic growing egg. Now, what is this? Oh, okay. These are our magic tricks. So they come with 3 different kinds. These are already available on hookedonpickin.com, but they come with 15 different tricks, and it comes with a QR code. If you scan that QR code, it brings you to a video on how to do all of the magic tricks, which is really cool. So you got a bunch of different kinds of those. So those will go down at the retail location as well, and I believe this is it as well. Yes. So this is the magic game as well. So we've got all of those out of this box. We're going to get that out of the way. Then we're going to open this one here. Like my organizational skills, just chuck the boxes wherever they want to go. All right, we've got some more noise putty. The little piggy noise putty. More hamburger patty presses. Okay, what are these? Oh, these are popular. We sell out of these so stinking fast. It's amazing. These are flashing super tops.
Yeah, we can barely keep them in stock.
We can barely keep these in stock. They come, if you ever buy more than one, we give you different colors. But these are our spinning tops. And what you do is you stick this little launcher on it. And then you wind it up. And then it plays music. It keeps starting over. There. Because I kept hitting the box so it would start over. And all you do is do that to stop it. So yes, we sell a lot of those. So we can't keep those in stock.
I think those will be huge around 4th of July.
Oh, absolutely. Okay, here's some more spinning tops. Wait, no. This is not a spinning top. It says color wood. So it was in the same size box. But it said wood on it, which, oh yeah, these are different.
There they are.
These are new. So these are rubber band pistols. So
it's like what you see at restaurant. Cracker Barrel.
Yeah.
You see these at Cracker Barrel all the time.
So they come with little rubber bands, and then you stick them on here, and then you pull the trigger, and it flings the rubber band. So yeah, rubber band wooden pistols.
Awesome.
Yeah, those are really cool.
I think they'll sell well down the road.
I think so too. Then we have
They
this.
say they have a group of kids that come in.
These are more flashing super tops. Ooh, this one's really heavy. I think I know what this one is, though. I think this is Dinosaur related. If you haven't been to our store, we have Dinosaur clothing, we have Dinosaur jewelry, we have Dinosaur toys, we have Dinosaur... something else Dinosaur. Everything. These are...
cheese platters.
Yes, Dinosaur cheese platters. Okay, come on. These are... I'm just going to cut this box. Dinosaur excavation kits. It comes with one hammer, one digging tool, one clay block, and one brush. And we've got different kinds.
Cool.
So we have these already on the store as well. All right, let's see. Then we've got, let me see, this says flashing super top. And then we have Dino excavation kits and, ooh, what is this? Hold on, I gotta try to get this box out. It's stuck, and the box is coming apart. So, well, I'm just gonna pull the whole display out. See if the box is coming apart. I'm just gonna pull this whole display out. Jumbo playing cards.
Boom. So
just regular deck of cards, but they're huge. So that is the last thing that was in the box that was different. We have another box of...
that is big playing cards.
Those are big playing cards. So that is all she wrote for these two large boxes. A lot of them are going to go down at the store, but we also will have a lot of this available on hookedonpickin.com. So if you want something, go to hookedonpickin.com, just type in toys. You'll find basically everything that I just pulled out, the hats and stuff, type in hats, things like that. So we're going to go ahead and price it. All right, we've got everything priced, and we're going to show you what the prices are for all of the things. So we're going to do the noise putty at $1.99, which you can also find on hookedonpickin.com. Then we're going to send these to the store. They'll retail space $1.49 for these fun flyers. Then we have the magic sets there, and those magic sets are $4.99 a piece there for those box sets. And then we've got our fun dinosaur eggs here at $3.99. We never know which dinosaur you're going to get. Then we have the hamburger patty press, $3.99 for that. Then we also have the jumbo playing cards at $1.99. And then our fun, awesome musical spin tops, we have those at $2.99. I put the price tag down here. $2.99 for our fun spin tops. $3.99 for the shooter rubber band pistols there, wooden ones. And then the hats we have at $8.99, and you saw the various different colors of those. And then last but not least, we have our dinosaur fossil excavation kits, and those are going to be $7.99 for those. So there's all the prices. The majority of this you'll be able to find on hookedonpickin.com, and some of it we're going to actually show at the retail space. So be on the lookout for that video. We're definitely going to share that with you guys. And thanks so much for watching. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you are not yet a subscriber, make sure you subscribe. I try to put lots of videos out on a regular basis, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know every time that I put a video out. On Fridays, we do a fun fire sale. You can buy directly from me. It's super fun, super fast-paced, and you see all sorts of unique items. If you've not been to hookedonpickin.com recently, check out all the summer fun that we have. We have tons of mermaid fins. We've got swim toys. We've got goggles and various other things that are perfect for summertime. We've got bathing suit sets and bathing suit cover-up sets. You'll never find them cheaper than where we have them at hookedonpickin.com. Thanks so much for watching.